Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering what proves the account is yours: the exact username or email, the recovery phone or secondary email, and any recent login times. Once done, use a familiar device and network to reduce false flags. Platforms check these. Make sure you can access the recovery phone or email for codes. If asked, prepare a government ID image and notes about when you created the account. This speeds validation and avoids repeated lockouts. You now follow the service's recovery flow step by step. Choose Forgot Password or Account Recovery and enter the account identifier. When codes arrive, enter them immediately. If a form requests identity details, provide precise answers. Approximate dates and devices matter. Upload requested ID images clearly and keep screenshots of any error messages or reference numbers. If a multi-step verification appears, complete it in order. These details help the system verify ownership and lift the lock. Finish by setting a unique, strong password and enabling two-factor authentication to prevent recurrence. If automated recovery fails, contact official support and submit the screenshots, exact timestamps, and ID you prepared. Explain succinctly why you need access. Make sure to mention any transaction or linked service details to prove ownership. If support initiates a manual review, wait the stated 24 to 72 hours and avoid repeated attempts unless instructed, because repeated attempts can extend the lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.